Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. Take a deep breath with me for a second. You're not in a class, you're not in an exam, you're just listening and learning, slowly.
Hi, everyone. Hey, I'm Alex. And relax your shoulders. You don't need perfect English here. Honestly, we're just chatting, like friends.
Exactly. And today's episode is very simple, very useful, and very powerful. The topic is, what are you doing today?
Oh, that question. Everyone asks that, right? Friends, coworkers, neighbors, even strangers sometimes.
Yes, and for many English learners, this small question feels big. People think, oh no, what should I say? Am I saying it right? What if I make a mistake?
Yeah. Overthinking starts. Brain goes blank, and suddenly, silence.
Exactly. So today, we'll make this question easy, natural, comfortable. By the end of this episode, you'll feel confident answering it and asking it too.
Harry, can I be honest? When I was learning another language, I knew the words, but my mouth just didn't move.
Oh yeah, that feeling is very real. Many learners understand English perfectly, but speaking feels scary.
It's like, what if I sound stupid? What if they laugh? What if I forget the words?
And here's the truth. Everyone hesitates. Even native speakers pause, think, say Hume.
Yes, I do that all the time. I'm a native speaker, and I still say, let me think.
So if you do that in English, it's normal. It's human.
Let's start very simple. When someone asks you, what are you doing today? They are not testing you.
They're just being friendly. They want to connect.
Right. So you don't need a long answer. You don't need perfect grammar.
Short answers are totally okay.
Let's imagine a normal morning. You meet a friend.
They smile and say, oh, hey, what are you doing today?
You can say, I'm working today. Pause. Simple.
Or, I'm at home today. Very easy.
Or, I'm just relaxing today.
Oh, I like that one. Just relaxing. Sounds peaceful.
Now, imagine you're at a shop. You meet someone you know.
They ask, so, what are you doing today?
You can say, I'm shopping. Or, I'm buying groceries.
Or even, oh, just shopping around. That's a nice phrase.
Phone calls can be scary, right?
Oh, yes, very scary.
Someone calls you and says, hey, what are you doing today?
You can say, I'm working right now. Or, I'm free today.
Short, clear, natural.
Okay, Harry, what about work? That's where people really worry.
Good question. At work, you can say, I'm in meetings today. I'm busy today. I'm working on a project.
I'm busy today is very useful.
Yes, and you don't need to explain everything.
What about travel?
Easy. I'm traveling today. I'm visiting family. I'm at the airport.
And students can say, I have classes today. I'm studying today. I'm preparing for an exam.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk mindset. This is important.
Yes, because fear lives in the mind.
Tip number 1. Simple English is good English.
You don't need big words. You need clear words.
Tip number 2. Mistakes are not failures. They are practice.
I love that. Mistakes mean you're trying.
Tip number 3. Speak slowly. It's okay to pause.
Silence is not bad. Silence is thinking.
Okay, listeners, let's practice together.
Yes, don't be shy.
I'll ask the question. You answer out loud.
even if you're alone, especially if you're alone.
Ready? What are you doing today?
Say something simple. I'm working. I'm at home. I'm relaxing.
Now let's learn some useful words. We'll repeat them naturally.
Okay, I'm ready.
Working. I'm working today. Relaxing. I'm relaxing today. Busy. I'm busy today. Free. I'm free today.
Shopping. I'm shopping today. Studying. I'm studying today.
Traveling. I'm traveling today. Meeting. I have meetings today.
At home. I'm at home today. Outside. I'm outside today.
Say them again later. Use them today.
Harry, can I share a short story?
Of course.
I met a learner once. They only knew 5 sentences, but they used them every day.
And?
After a few months, they sounded confident. Not perfect, but confident.
That's the key. Confidence grows from use, not perfection. Let's do one more. I'll start a sentence, you finish it.
Fun.
I'm busy today.
Say anything. Working, relaxing, busy, free.
Remember, English is a tool, not a test.
You don't fail English. You live with English.
Speak a little every day, even one sentence.
And be kind to yourself. Learning takes time.
All right, that's it for today. Thank you for spending time with us.
If this episode helped you, please like it, subscribe, and share it.
And comment below, what are you doing today?
We really want to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep speaking English.